Okay, so after trying this out last night and not being able to do it, not being able to control the light of the LED via a resistor other than the pot, which we tried out last week, I tried to do this again and instead got a little bit of smoke coming out of my breadboard, or somewhere out of my breadboard, and wasn't quite sure what I was doing. I think I was misreading, well, I was obviously misreading the diagrams, and I asked for help from Paul, and he came over, he undid some of these things. One thing I did wrong was I had this connected to the power, and that might be why there was smoke coming out, because maybe I was providing too much energy into this. The other thing was I had extra wires that I didn't really need to have. But anyway, so now the good thing is once you press this force sensing resistor, if you can see, actually, the light turns on, and the more pressure you put, the more light goes through, so you can let go. What that means is that electricity likes to take the path of least resistance. So right now, there is no resistance on this. I mean, there is, but only when you press it is there least resistance. In addition to that, this resistor right here is like a 10 ohm resistor, so it's providing resistance. So it's taken a path, and the path it's taken doesn't allow for this LED to turn on. I don't really understand how it works. Oops, this view is not the best view, but I'm gonna try this one more time. Okay. Here we're connecting the power to either side of these strips. Here we're connecting the ground to either side of the strips again. Then here we're connecting the power, right? Because there's no power right now going in here, to the power on the breadboard. Which means that because I've just connected this to this, so now there's electric flow running up this way, and then this allows it to transfer over to this side. Then we want to connect the ground to ground. Okay. Then here's our LED. Here we go. There's a long leg, which is the positive end, and a short leg, which is the negative end. I think this is cathode and this is anode. I'm going to place this in. Short leg is this one. This is the long leg. I'm going to use a resistor here, and this resistor is connected to the long leg so that these two align. And then we're going to also connect the Arduino on pin 9 to the resistor. We're going to connect ground, which earlier I had incorrectly placed in power, to the negative cathode leg of the LED. Then we are also going to place the force sensing resistor. Here we go. There it is. And then what we also want to do is we want to be able to connect this resistor to ground, I think. Actually, I'm not sure. So I'm going to pause and then restart. Okay. So we're going to connect this resistor right here to ground. And we're going to connect back to power. I think, I hope I'm right. And we're going to connect to the Arduino. Analog in. Let's see if that works. I think I might be wrong again, but let's try it one more time. Okay, the light thankfully is on, as you can see. Let's see if I press this, if it reduces. No, it doesn't. Alright, let's try it again. Okay, so right now, again, it doesn't quite work. I press this, it doesn't work. And I think it's because as soon as I take this, which is connected to the analog on the Arduino, and shift it over, probably shouldn't be doing this while it's on, but here we go. Now this is off, but as soon as I place pressure on the flex resistor, it turns on. Let go, off, on. Okay, that's it.